Welcome to the cooler report. I'm go ahead to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This is a 4-compartment portable sinks. Let me give you the measurements first. The unit's length will be 30 inches wide and 18 inches deep. Overall height of the counters will be 42.5 inches tall. So this unit is made by all stainless steel units, and they come with a 1, 2, 3, 4 compartments. And from the manufacturers, they offer the lockers. You see these keys on the units, and also they're having the paper towel dispensers coming from the manufacturer too. We can take a look closer to see the sink dimensions. From the manufacturers, they offer the water filters for all the sinks. And let's take the measurements. It's about 1 feet long, 6 feet wide, and 6 feet deep. For all 4 compartments, they are the same. And the waters, they're having heat and the cold from the faucets. This one coming from the manufacturer too. When we twist the key to unlock the door, we can see here has the water pumps, heaters, and also having 2 water tanks at the bottoms. And the units have a small hole connections for you to plug the water heater for the electricities. And this one using the standard button plugs. This will be the all information about our products for the demonstrations. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.